All right, not sure if you guys can see that on the dash or not, but 9 degrees is the temperature this morning. We are getting ready to jump into a removal. It's going to be a cold one. All right, this is a first. I beat Andrew to the job site. Morning, buddy.
New year, new stash, man.
Yep.
All right. 2021 brings all kinds of things.
Ready to rock it.
Right.
All right, I'll spot you. I knew it was going to be cold this morning, so I layered up on my feet. But now my layers are all lumpy, and I feel asymmetrical, like I'm walking crooked because I got lumps in my boots. All right, we are going up. Oh man, it is beautiful out here today. As you can see, there are, unfortunately, a number of oaks out here in the Usher's Ferry area that took a good amount of damage. So we're taking them down. This is the one we're working on this morning, working over a garage and a driveway. Got our work cut out for us. But after a short holiday break for Christmas, it's good to be back out, back up in the air working. Take you guys along for the ride on this one, show you some rigging and bucket work. Yeah, she's bucking a little bit. Time for a chain. Big chunk. Yeah. That was fun. Yeah, I bet we're pushing at least 1,500 pounds on that one. What do you think? Probably 15. You'll be able to tell pretty good when you grab it with the mini.
make these shelf cuts, we're gonna have our 660 up in the air with a 36-inch bar. This is quite the saw to try and wield from the bucket. Should be fun. All right, Boone, we're off. Thanks for coming along with us. It was fun to take you up in the bucket and give you kind of an inside close-up glimpse of what we do in the air. Yeah, a lot of storm damage here. Still needs tended to. 9 trees total. We got the first 2 on the ground. Honestly, the most difficult one was the one that we chronicled here today. And as always, doing what we can to save some materials. We got a nice start on some mill quality logs here. We're gonna try to get these big pieces of oak to a local mill. Do what we can and not be wasting resources after the storm. Again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff, whatever it is that y'all do on social media to stay with us. Thanks.